If there's just one thing you should know about facilitating hybrid training, it's that delivering engaging, performance-based training to both in-person and remote learners is absolutely doable with the right tools and strategies. In this workshop, you'll learn the 4 types of hybrid training approaches, the key roles that support delivery, and how to prepare using checklists that cover everything from pre-course communication to producer support. We'll explore how to build a solid course map, review lesson plans through a hybrid lens, and prepare both your physical and virtual environments. You'll even get a contingency plan with the solutions to the 17 most common hybrid issues, because things won't always go as planned. These techniques will create space for every voice, no matter where they're coming from, so every learner feels seen, heard, and involved. With facilitating for a hybrid workforce, you'll walk away with practical tools, confidence, and the ability to deliver a seamless, inclusive learning experience for all. We hope to see you soon in facilitating training for a hybrid workforce.